Good morning, everyone. It's privileged to be here at NextGen Petrochemical and Chemical Summit. And thanks ICN to give us an opportunity to present PremierTech portfolio, that how we are helping our customer with our super innovative automation solutions. So before we go for today, my topic is that how we are, supporting our customer and manufacturer with our automation solution to deal with very complex and very dusty product handling in India as well as a global plant. But before we go into that, I would like to brief about the PremierTech as a group and their all the product portfolio solutions. Yeah. So, PremierTech, it's a very diversified global company with having a history of starting dating around 1923. This is our worldwide turnover, around it's more than $1 billion this way. And as a group, we are having a 4 different vertical. So you can see that it's a consumer, grower, system and automations, water environment, digital, life science and all. So the best part is that what connect all of this sector is our commitment to driving meaningful change through innovation, performance, and the team partnership with our customer. Now I belongs to PT Systems and Automation, which is dedicatedly work for packaging automation, where we have all kind of solutions. And in industry like chemical and petrochemical, where safety, dust control, and accuracy would require. This is our mission to become especially play a very gravity important role to the growth journey of our partners. Now let me show you where we can come from and how the shaped our automation energy. So as a different division of PTSA, we are holding more than 35 years of making a difference. PremierTech started as 1923. It was started with a small peat moss plant. That was our in-house manufacturing in RDL, Quebec, Canada. But after down the time, in between of the gap of the year, we have developed and motivated ourselves with the new solutions, innovative solution based on the discussion with our partner and customers. And the hands-on the origin is very important because of the meaning of the solutions were born with our real plants platform. So today, PT System and Automation recognized globally for an advanced automation solution designed for performance, reliability, industrial and durability. Health and safety, this is a very, very important subject for everybody, whether it's a machine manufacturer or product manufacturer. And we always believe on our top of the priority compared to the other way. So all the solution is designed the first priority for the health and safety. This is the practically background is what define how we work with the client story today. Now this is specifically for the PTSA department where we're talking about the packaging automation. So this is our globally strength over there. We are more than 500 million business turnover only for the packaging divisions itself. And in this we are providing all sort of automations like a flexible, rigid packaging, primary, secondary, tertiary. And now we are more focused about the interlogistic automation itself. And now instead of only working for just a manufacturer of the machine supplier, we are now more focusing to discuss with our partners to making a more complete EPC solutions right from inception to the converting into the handful and smooth line operation of the plant itself. So this is our global expertise and presence itself. This is our headquarter, that's in Canada, River Duluth, and this is just a video where we can show you that wherever our footprint is there in terms of different plant. We have a 14 manufacturing plant around the globe, out of which for the Asia Pacific and Southeast Asia region concerns, we have 2 plants that you can see in the video itself something. Then we have 4 plants in USA and North America. And after that, we have 6 plants in Europe, where we are making all sort of different application and different requirement of the packing machine. PremierTech is always believe on center of excellence. So based on the population and diversity in the region itself, we just develop ourselves locally but never we compromise the global standards over there. So that is actually our specialty itself. We are not seen ourselves as simply an equipment supplier, but we are a solution provider in itself to making the difference of growth story of our partner itself. So you can see this is our Asia Pacific factory, one in Bangkok, one in India. We are based out in Delhi in India, from where we are operating not for India, for the export market as well. And this is all about our presence in India itself. Okay, so as I mentioned that PremierTech is not only the manufacturer, it's a solution provider of company. So our scopes extend from the silo to warehouse. This includes dosing, bagging, tagging, closing, check weighing, and rest of the line like a load securing and palletization. So our main purpose is to reduce interface risk, improve fine synchronizations, and help ensure a more stable and predictable operations. So this is all about the company. Now let's focus on the main topic. That's how this means we are handling this powder material behaviors and all based on your daily manufacturing setup. So powder material are never as a simply it's as look as that. As a manufacturer, we feel like powder should behave very smoothly. It should fall from the silo to bag in a very formally. There should be no dust. There should be no hygienic concerns if the human being or labor will directly expose in terms of that. But the main thing is that powder is very unpredictable in that way. Means we cannot even predict that which bulk density or grade of product can behave on what ratio. So we have to be more conscious and all. Now, being as a manufacturer, I've just put a file over here. This was some of the product in specialty chemical in India, where the product is, looks very smooth, free flow, and easy. But in a practically, it can't be. It's having a lot of dust over there. And the handling of this thing is a very, very tricky part in terms of packaging way, because silo is just containing the product in their storage. But the main challenge will come when we have to precisely do the bagging from the silo to your bag, and that to be without compromising in safety and consistent speed and accuracy, to just also make a supporting growth of the your completely air in revenue itself. But the thing is, like, if the manufacturer is not concentrate for this bottleneck segment of their plant, that we call the downstream part, then the thing is, like, at the end of the result, the thing is, like, means they feel like they are producing, they are manufacturing and all, but because of the huge loss in terms of dust, in terms of wastage, for the poor accuracy, and of course it's a bad handling by the manual labor, ultimately it's a revenue loss for you, because the product you are manufacturing to sell into the market but not to put into the garbage tray. So then here is our expertise is come into the picture. So we help through our main three solution, means PremierTech having three main solutions where we are helping our customer to handle such type of critical products in their plant. So in terms of segments, we do our in-house manufacturing of bulk handling. Then the second one is a packaging. Then the third one is the palletizing, just to handle this the entire finished goods into the pack and then ready to ship for your end client itself. So in transition, powder processing, good packaging performance start with a good material handling. So this is our bulk handling solution. This is also innovative solution. I can say that since last 2-3 years, we are penetrating this market in India and successfully commissioned few of the plants in India also, which is actually the part of upstream process. But because this is directly linked the performance of our downstream packing machine, so in that way we just do our all things over there. So in this bulk packaging system, bulk handling system, we have our first solution is a big bag unloader, which is a very useful system for those low applications manufacturers, those who actually are doing making product and filling into the bulk bags, or maybe they can import this system from neighborhood countries, but ultimately to sell into the market, they have to do repacking. So then this bulk big bag handling system will help them to do this repacking over there. The other solution for things is the this we call the conveying system. In this, there's a 3 types conveying system. First is the lean phase conveyor, which is for semi-porous product handling over there, and of course this is for the less capacity application. Nearly something, if we talk about the transfer rate of 1 to 25 ton, of course this solution would be more suitable for that. And this is also good for the corrosive and hygroscopic product as well, especially designed for the specialty chemical product. The other solution is the semi-dense phase conveying system, in which we are talking about not very free flow product, but it's like having little bit of moisture, which actually restrict to the product to flow from the silo to the machine, or maybe some sort of conveying solution and all. So over there we are using this term, but as I said that we are handling a semi-solid, so we cannot expect too much of product capacity. So the transfer rate is not too high, it is just to 1 to 10 TPH per hour capacity would be there. And the third one is the most popular. I would say the traction is coming since last 5-6 months after this I would say West Asia crisis. Because of that, it's directly linked with our labor class, means they are just moving towards their hometown, and the low class manufacturers, they just earlier they were just depending on the labor to do this all transfer, but because of this labor crisis, now they are open up their mind and say that they are ready to go for the capex investment. They need a right solution for that. So this conveying, dense phase conveying, is for those customer, those who are having a high capacity volume, and even the distance between the manufacturing plant to the warehouse is too high. You can see here we are talking about 50 meter to 800 meters, nearly about a 1 kilometer transfer. So that we can do this transfer over there, and the capacity is also massive. It's somewhere around 20 to 100 TPH per hour capacity. So this solution we initially designed for specialty chemical, but now this we are moderating this solution to reach to the petrochemical capacity as well. So this is just a small video of our BHS solution. So in this you can see that one of the manufacturer, they can collect this product from the bulk CBL solution from their export market, and from there it is a completely batch mixing process through our integrated solution, where we are doing mixing of this product through the hoist, lifting and all. And then in between of them we also adding our small bags mixing things. It can be automated through the robot as well. And finally we are just transferring to the pneumatically to the top of the silo or maybe blender mixture from the customer, based on the requirement of their system itself. So with that way, after all, at the end of the system we will add our bagging machine, and from there we just producing the final products in different weighment range, maybe 5 to 10 kg or 25 to 50 kg, and at the end of the day we can do this palletization through our robotic palletizing system. So this is all about the BHS solution. The other system is a packaging, which our specialty is since last 35 years. So we have some innovative solution that is specifically we can moderate for considering Indian demand right now. So the first solution is the FFS, form, fill and seal. Here we are talking about the bulk form, fill, seal, like the weighment would be from 5 kg to 50 kg, and this can be handle all kind of product, means pellets, granules, powder as well. Here is some of the features over there that we can handle this, and we have already moderated their speed up to 2800 bags per hour, specifically considering this upcoming capex plan for the petrochemical. But already we have supplied a lot of lines to the chemical industry up to 2000 bags per hour. Here the best part is that it is just doubling the speed of the traditional open mouth technology for the double range. So in terms of area footprint, it's quite less compared to the normal tradition. And the other thing is that it is easy to handle by the single manpower only for the operation purpose. So it is a very innovative solution for that. This is just a quick video for that, just for the understanding purpose. So in this video you can see FST is our model number, and In this, the film roll is just tapping behind of the machine, and before starting of the process, we have to just make the film roll towards the different station to make the perfect size shape of the bag, so that at the end of the process, the bag should be more stable for further process of the palletization. And at the end of the line, if you want to keep it at the ASRS storage, or you want to go for loading automation, then this bag would be more perfect and stable for any kind of shipping mode you have to use for that, whether it's a road, ship, or maybe air and all. So this is all about the FST portion and so all. Okay. So the next one, which is specifically designed for specialty chemical, in which most of the customer, I'm dealing almost a day-to-day basis with all the big and low customer over there. And nowadays for specialty chemical, they are very much facing a very big pain point about to handle this powdery product, that too with the trap air between the product. So we have a very right solution for this problem. We call it as a vacuum packer. This is basically designed for very fluffy powder, where we are talking about a very lightweight product, and the bulk density would be less than 0.2 meter cube per centimeter. And in this, the handling of the product with a manual labor is very risky and very tough job, not only for the health, but also there is a lot of possibility that the wastage would come in terms of dust and all. Then we just design this system to do a precise, consistent speed along with the accuracy over there for this type of critical product. So as an example, this product is a very useful for the, some of the product like a zeolite powder, carbon black industry, and the other things and all. Then the next one is open mouth bagger system. This is again the traditional technology over here. And because it's a very old one, so I'm just quickly go through on that way. And the last one is about the palletizer in terms of product portfolio. So in this palletizer, we have a conventional palletizer, we have a robotic palletizer, and this all depends on the speed and application of the customer. So this is all about the product solutions and all, and we always believe on people and technology, because without people and without customer, none of automation or innovation can be generated and all. Here, the last slides related to our Industry 4.0 connectivity with our packaging automation. So in this, we have a dedicated solution we call the Nectar, in which you can get all the production and live data from your production speed to just analyze, predict of your next business plan, and of course, it will help you to improve your quality version of your finished goods and all. So that is all about making the relationship with our customer and partner. So that's people technology making the difference for us. Thank you so much.